Hello, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a Reddit account. Let's start. First, go to your web browser. Here you need to open reddit.com. Now you need to tap on Menu. Tap on Settings. From the list, go to Account Settings. On scrolling down, you'll see the option of Delete your account. You just need to tap on it and then select Continue. A confirmation email will be sent to your email address about deletion of your account. So this is how you can permanently delete a Reddit account. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.